Hey guys, welcome back to OB Toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my Queen Alien Xenomorph Spinosaurus hybrid. We're going to be using the new Spinosaurus that Mattel just released, as well as this Queen Alien that I got from Uncle Bob's Vintage Toys. He recently came across this figure and thought I would make a good custom out of it and gave it to me. So I just want to give a shout out to Uncle Bob and Aunt Shelly. Thank you very much for this toy. We're going to make a cool custom out of it. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints, so be sure to stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. Alright guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch my process, and I will check back with you in a bit. So as you guys see here, I have made a mess tearing this thing apart, but I'm trying to use every piece possible from the Queen Alien. And you're gonna see here, these are all the pieces that I've assembled after cleaning everything up. So this is what we are going to use to put this thing together. Now I didn't just want to glue the arms on because this Spinosaurus has some really cool articulation with the arms, so as you move them it makes the head tilt and the mouth open. So I thought I should screw them on and then glue them, that way they're really strong and can actually use the function with it. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, could you do me a favor and smash that like button for me right now? I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. We do giveaways from time to time. We're not doing one today, but keep watching because we might be doing one here shortly. Also, in the beginning of the video, I mentioned Uncle Bob's Vintage Toys. If you're a local fan of OB Toys and you're in the area of central Pennsylvania, you need to stop in and check out his store, because not only does he have a lot of really cool toys there, but he is also the only place that you can physically walk into and see some of my customs up on the shelf behind the counter. Also, there are a few of them there for sale, so please go check that out. If you're a die-hard OB Toys fan and you want a chance to purchase one of my customs, that's the place to go. I'll be sure to put all the information of Uncle Bob's Vintage Toys down in the description below. So in the comments below, let me know if anybody else has gotten this Spinosaurus recently. This thing's actually really cool. I like the sound effects that it makes. I like the articulation with the head movement, and it lights up as well. There's a lot of cool things about this, and I'm glad Mattel decided to give us another Spinosaurus. And I recently saw the new Alien Romulus movie, which I actually thought it was a pretty good movie. So if you're an Alien fan, definitely go check that out. So at the same time I got the Spinosaurus, I saw the movie, and I was just like, yeah, these need to go together. We need to come up with a hybrid version of the Spinosaurus. I've done about 5 other Xenomorph hybrids, and I'll put a link above for the playlist. If you guys haven't seen all of the other ones I've made, I did a Godzilla, and a T-Rex, and a Indoraptor. So yeah, check those out. If you're Alien fan, yeah, definitely check those out. Alright guys, I'm just about finished here. Have a few more little details to do to this thing, but I'm not going to make you wait around any longer. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final results, but before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So what do you guys think of this thing? Let me know down in the comments below. I like that I can let the mouth open just by resting part of the crown on the spine of the Spinosaurus, which is pretty cool because then I can have it tilted either way, have it open, close. A lot of cool things I can do with this. Also guys, if you can come up with a cool name for this, some combination between Spinosaurus and Queen Alien or Xenomorph or whatever you want to put together, but put that down in the comments below. I always love getting feedback from you guys. Alright guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, I love working with black light and glow-in-the-dark paints, so here we go. If you haven't seen all the other customs on the channel, I have a ton of them, so check out the playlist above. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Also, be sure to check out my online toy store, shopobtoys.com. We have hundreds and hundreds of products there for you to build your own collections or buy toys to make your own customs. But we have a lot of different toy lines, everything from Jurassic to NECA, He-Man, Ninja Turtles, Batman, all sorts of stuff. But if you guys want to help support the channel and keep us going, I'd really appreciate you buying something from there. Also, a special thanks for all my OB Toys members. Really appreciate the support you guys have been giving the channel. If you want to become a member, click on that link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, OB Toys out.